Welcome to MBBS Council. In this video, we will see various quotas available in government medical colleges. Knowing your eligibility for various quota will help you to reduce fees and get better medical college with lower rank. This video is part of MBBS Admission Counseling video course for government colleges. You can watch the complete course on video course section of MBBSCouncil Android app. If you have not installed the app, you can install it from Google Play Store. Install link is also given in the description below. If you haven't watched Government Medical College Types video, we request you to watch that video before proceeding with this video. MBBS seats in government medical colleges are divided into All India Quota and State Quota. AIQ denotes All India Quota and SQ denotes State Quota. For all state government run medical colleges, 15% seats are allotted as All India Quota and the rest 85% seats are allotted as State Quota for students who are native to that state. This 85% state quota is not applicable for all government colleges in India. The percentage of state quota seats varies depending on which government runs the medical college, central government or state government. Most of the government colleges in India are run by state government, so they get the maximum share, 85% of its total seats. For central government run medical colleges, share of seats between All India Quota and State Quota varies from college to college. MBBS seats in Institute of National Importance such as AIIMS are available for candidates from any Indian state. They are called as open quota seats. In some central government run medical colleges, there are no open quota seats, and in some medical colleges, there are no All India Quota seats. We will see in detail about various quotas available in various central government college types. 100% seats in All India Institute of Medical Science as well as Banaras Hindu University are available as open quota seats. There are no state quota seats in these colleges. Do you know NRI quota seats are available in AIIMS Delhi? There are 7 NRI seats available for NRI as well as OCA candidates in AIIMS Delhi. Other AIIMS colleges do not have any NRI quota. JIPMER reserves 30% seats for open quota and 70% seats are allotted for Puducherry state domicile students. NEET counselling for the 70% seats are not conducted by Puducherry Counselling Authority CENTAC. Instead, it is conducted by MCC itself. If you are wondering what these are, more about various counselling conducting authorities and which medical colleges and quota are filled by which counselling authority will be covered in another video. JIPMER has 6 MBBS seats reserved for NRI category. JIPMER Puducherry have 5 NRI seats and Karaikal campus have 1 NRI MBBS seat. Aligarh Muslim University reserves 50% for open quota and remaining 50% are allotted as internal quota for students who have studied in AMU run schools. AMU also have 5 NRI quota seats. This is the complete list of quotas available in various types of government medical colleges. We have already seen open quota which is available in central government run institutions such as AIIMS, All India Quota and State Quota which are available in state run medical colleges. Nearly 200 MBBS seats in top government medical colleges across various states are reserved as central pool quota. These seats are directly allotted by central government ministries after receiving recommendations from various central government departments such as Defence, Paramilitary, Central Armed Police Force, etc. We will see detailed distribution of central pool quota in a separate video when we cover Army College of Medical Sciences. Like Aligarh Muslim University, few other medical colleges also have internal quota seats. All ESI colleges have 35% internal quota seats for children of ESI insured persons. Indian Road Transport Medical College in Erode has internal quota for children of employees of Road Transport Corporation. If you are working in Transport Corporation or ESI insured person, Then with lesser NEET score, you can get into these government medical colleges through internal quota. Some states such as Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Gujarat, Karnataka have local quota. These seats are reserved for students who belong to certain districts or municipal corporation locality. For example, Surat Municipal Corporation Medical College reserves seats for students who studied from schools located in Surat municipality. NEET score cutoff for regional quota will be less than that of the respective state quota cutoff. In few government aided medical colleges, there are management quota seats as well as NRI quota seats. Tuition fees for these colleges would be higher. In general, native state students can apply for management quota seats in government colleges, whereas for NRI quota in government colleges, students from any state are eligible. Now let's compare the tuition fees for various quotas. Tuition fees for open quota are the lowest. Then comes All India Quota, State Quota, Central Pool Quota, Internal Quota and then Local Quota. The tuition fees would be same for all these quota in a particular government medical college. Only for ESI quota seats, the tuition fees is Rs 24,000 per year for internal quota, whereas it is 1 lakh per year for other candidates. Management quota tuition fees would be around 8 lakhs per year and NRI quota fees would be around $1,25,000 for the full course. Let's now see quotas available in various types of medical colleges. AIIMS have open quota. Other central government run government colleges such as JIPMER, Regional Institute of Medical Science Impal, and Northeastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Medical Science Shillong have All India Quota as well as State Quota. Central government run universities and medical colleges such as Banaras Hindu University, Aligarh Muslim University, ESI colleges, Armed Force Medical College and Army College of Medical Sciences have All India Quota, State Quota, NRI Quota and Internal Quota. AMU has few seats reserved for NRI. We will cover these colleges in detail in the coming videos. State government run medical colleges such as Osmania Medical College, Madras Medical College, etc. have All India Quota and State Quota. Few government colleges have management quota and NRI quota. Some states also have local quota. In Karnataka Counselling, seats are reserved for Hyderabad Karnataka region, and in Maharashtra State Counselling, seats are reserved for Maharashtra Karnataka border region candidates. Surat Municipal Institute of Medical Sciences, which is run by the Surat Municipal Corporation, reserves 40% local quota seats for students who belong to that municipality. This college does not provide any seat for All India Quota. The rest 60% seats in this college are available as Gujarat State Quota. In the recent days, many new government medical colleges, especially in Rajasthan and Gujarat, are started as government aided medical colleges which have management quota seats available at higher tuition fees. Recently started government colleges in Gujarat are run by Gujarat Medical Education Research Society, GMERS, and provides both government quota as well as management quota MBBS seats. NRI quota is available in JIPMER, Aligarh Muslim University, Indira Gandhi Medical University Puducherry, Padmavati Women's Medical College Andhra Pradesh. NRI quota government seats are also available in states such as Haryana, Gujarat and Rajasthan. Students from other states are also eligible to participate in NRI quota counselling. Priority is given to students who belong to that state and then other state students are considered for allotment. This brings us to the end of this video. If you have any doubts related to NEET counselling, contact MBBS Admission Counsellor by clicking the WhatsApp button on the home screen of MBBSCouncil app. Our counsellors will answer them when they find free time. See you in another video.